A body sat behind a supermarket fridge for 10 years, and nobody noticed. Not one employee, not one shopper, not even the guy who restocks the frozen peas. It happened in 2009. A young man somehow ended up wedged behind a refrigerator and stayed there for a decade until 2019 when someone finally moved the fridge. Surprise. So, questions. Why was he behind the fridge in the first place? Hide and seek gone wrong? Did he trip over a sale sign and just keep falling? And no one heard him? Supermarkets echo when a grape hits the floor, but a man dying in the back? Total silence. And let's talk about the smell. A dead rat stinks up aisle 5 in minutes. A whole human? Apparently just part of the ambiance. And yes, cameras? What cameras? Footage from 10 years ago? Gone faster than that expired yogurt you keep ignoring. So, detectives of the internet, what happened? Accident? Murder? Or just the world's quietest employee of the month? Drop your theory in the comments. And if this didn't ruin supermarkets for you, wait till you see what's next. Hit that follow so you don't disappear behind a fridge and get forgotten too.